Yo, it is Monday the 25th of July and I'm with Katie still.
Hi!
Wearing the same thing as yesterday because I stayed over here. Today we're continuing the journey of getting Katie a chest of drawers. So right now we're heading to Ikea, which is a massive furniture place. It's like a maze, and we're gonna try and see if we can find her something there. So
Cool, fingers crossed.
we're going now. We are at Ikea. We are walking in now. The maze. This place is ridiculous.
Going up. Door closing. Stand clear of door.
How big this elevator is. It's so big. It's for all the big furniture. That's my exercise for the week. Now I'm going to try and ride my bike this week because the weather's getting a bit better. It's cold now, but the sun's out. It's all ready to go nearly, man. Think.
Bounce it.
So Ikea is like a maze. You walk around and round and round. I don't know how it works. You must walk around and it gets smaller or bigger.
Yeah.
You walk around and round and round and round. It's like impossible to get out of. There are like little quick exits, but they're like really hard to find. So you get like claustrophobic in here. This chair's amazing. Katie, sit on it. Oh, it looks really uncomfortable.
Yes. Well, the problem here.
Roll back.
Oh.
Pretty good, huh? Pumpkin, what about this one?
Stop it. I need it.
No.
I do.
You've got more than enough room for your bullshit.
More than enough shoes.
No. You can't even fit jack shit in there anyway. All that room to fit 4 pairs.
Oh no, because I'll put them on top as well.
No, you can't.
It's bigger.
Need to take a shit. Maybe this should be the thumbnail. Ready? Really go now. See ya. I better get off now just in case they say we broke it. If we have to return it and they're like, you're riding it through the shop. Alright, so we just finished up in Ikea. Katie finally got her chest of drawers. Gonna go back now. We've got dinner at my house tonight and Katie's finally coming. I don't know if we'll have time to put this together today because they usually take a while, but we'll see what happens.
We bought chips and I'm gonna eat some.